Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shane, and in today's video we're going to be styling our bar cart. We're participating in an open collaboration hosted by some of our favorite YouTube friends, and that's Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly with Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Please make sure that you guys check the description box for all the links. I absolutely know that you guys are in for a treat if you follow the playlist and all of the ladies that are participating in this wonderful collaboration, because they always bring their A game and stop short of nothing but producing fabulous bar carts. I participated last year and it was absolutely so much fun and such a treat to see all of the wonderful designs. So now let's talk about what I did with the bar cart. I didn't purchase anything new. I used exactly what I had. That's always a win, correct? Alrighty. So as you can see, these little cupcakes are faux cupcakes, 0 calories, you guys. We love to have those, right? Harvest Sign came from the 99-cent store. I made a bow, put it on the cheer tray, stuck a faux flower in there. That owl is from Marshall's, I believe. Don't quote me, but I believe it came from Marshall's last year. This sign, I believe that was a 99-cent store sign. And the florals are mainly florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. None of these florals are Hobby Lobby, I don't believe. No. The fall sign was a Hobby Lobby find several years ago. This lantern over here was a lantern swag that I did a couple of videos ago if you're interested. So, you guys, this was so much fun. I encourage you, with all of the things that are going on in the world right now, to grab some of your things, your decorative items in your house, and just decorate. It'll make you feel so much better. I promise. I was in such a mood before, and then I got the open invite to participate in this collaboration. I was like, yes, something to uplift my spirits. Okay, so you guys, we had to include a drink, and this is just an iced latte, and I topped it with some whipping cream. You guys can pick any toppings of your liking and just utilize those. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.